Hello, English Level Up family. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Hello, everyone.
Sarah, you look tired. Is everything okay?
Alex, I am exhausted. Yesterday was Sunday, right?
Yes, Sunday is usually a rest day.
Not for me. Yesterday was cleaning day. I spent 4 hours fighting with my house.
Fighting with your house? Who won?
The house won. I am so tired. My back hurts, my hands smell like chemicals. I hate cleaning, Alex.
I think everybody hates cleaning, Sarah. But we have to do it. It is a part of life. Today, we're going to talk exactly about this topic, house cleaning.
Even talking about it makes me tired.
Don't worry, we will make it fun. We will learn the vocabulary for the kitchen, the bathroom, the living room, and laundry. By the end of this episode, you will know how to describe every chore in English.
Wait, what is a chore?
A chore, C-H-O-R-E, is a routine task, a job you must do in your house, like washing dishes or taking out the trash. It's not a fun job, it's a chore.
Okay, so my life is full of chores. Great. Let's get started.
Let's start with the worst room in the house, the kitchen.
The kitchen is a nightmare, especially after dinner.
True. Let's talk about the sink. When you finish eating, what do you do with the plates?
Well, if I am lazy, I leave them in the sink until tomorrow.
Sarah, that is terrible. That attracts bugs. You have to do the dishes.
Do the dishes? That means washing them?
Yes, you can say wash the dishes or do the dishes. Both are correct. Now, do you wash them by hand?
No, I'm lucky. I have a machine.
Ah, the dishwasher. So the vocabulary here is 1. Load the dishwasher, put dirty plates inside. 2. Unload the dishwasher, take clean plates out.
I hate unloading. It takes so much time.
It takes 2 minutes. But what about the things that cannot go in the machine, like big pots?
Then I have to scrub them.
Good word, scrub. Wash is gentle. Scrub means you push hard, usually with a sponge. You scrub the pot to remove the grease.
And what about the table? After we eat, there are crumbs everywhere.
Then you need to wipe the counters or wipe the table. Usually we use a cloth or a rag. So the sequence is clear the table, load the dishwasher, wipe the counters.
That sounds organized. My sequence is eat, look at the mess, go watch Netflix.
That is called procrastination, Sarah, waiting until the last minute.
Okay, let's move to the living room. There are no dishes there, so it is easier.
Yes, but there is dust.
Dust. That is the gray powder that falls everywhere?
Yes, dust comes from dead skin, outside dirt, it's everywhere. So the chore is called dusting. I need to dust the furniture. I need to dust the TV.
I usually use a feather duster. It makes me feel like a maid in a fancy hotel.
Very fancy. Now look down. What is on the floor?
In my house, dog hair. Lots of it.
So you need to clean the floor. If you have a carpet or a rug, what machine do you use?
I use a vacuum cleaner.
Correct. And the verb is to vacuum. I am vacuuming the living room. Sarah, do you vacuum under the sofa?
Sometimes. Only if I lose my phone under there.
You should vacuum the corners too. That is where the dust bunnies live.
Dust bunnies? Are they cute rabbits?
No. A dust bunny is a ball of dust and hair that rolls across the floor like a tumbleweed.
Ew. Okay. Vacuum the dust bunnies. Got it. What if the floor is wood or tile?
Then you need two tools. One, a broom to sweep the dry dirt. Two, a mop to wash with water.
So, sweep first, mop second.
Exactly. Never mop a dirty floor. You just make mud.
Okay, Alex, we have to talk about it. The bathroom.
The most hated chore in the world.
It is so gross. Listeners, gross means disgusting, yucky.
What do you hate most about the bathroom?
The toilet, obviously.
Okay, to clean the toilet, you need strong chemicals. We often use bleach.
Bleach. That smells very strong, like a swimming pool.
Yes, it kills bacteria. And you need a toilet brush. You pour the bleach, you wait, and then you scrub the toilet bowl.
I always wear rubber gloves when I do this. I don't want to touch anything.
Smart. Rubber gloves protect your hands. What about the shower?
The shower gets dirty too. The glass gets foggy and the drain, ugh.
Ah, the clogged drain. Clogged means blocked. The water cannot go down because there's too much hair.
Please stop. I'm going to be sick.
Sorry, but it's real-life vocabulary. To fix a clogged drain, you might need a plunger or a chemical cleaner. So cleaning the bathroom is mostly scrubbing, bleaching, and unclogging. Let's move to something cleaner. Laundry. Doing the laundry means washing your clothes.
I actually like laundry. The machine does the work.
But there is a process. You cannot just throw everything in. Step 1, sort the clothes.
Sort?
Yes, separate them. Whites with whites, colors with colors. If you put a red sock with a white shirt, you get a pink shirt.
I learned that lesson the hard way. I have a lot of pink socks now.
Step 2, put them in the washer. Add detergent.
Detergent is the soap for clothes. Can I add something to make it smell nice?
Yes, that is called fabric softener. It makes the clothes soft and fragrant.
Step 3, put them in the dryer. Or hang them up outside if it's sunny.
And step 4, the step everyone hates.
Folding.
Yes, folding the clothes. I have a pile of clean laundry on my bed. I need to fold it and put it away.
Usually, I leave the pile on a chair, and I just pick clothes from the pile for the next week.
Sarah, that makes your clothes wrinkled. Wrinkled means it has lines. It's not smooth. If your shirt is wrinkled, you have to iron it.
I never iron. Ironing is dangerous. I might burn the house down.
Okay, just fold them quickly while they're warm. That helps. So, Sarah, we talked about all the chores. Kitchen, dishes, wiping, living room, vacuuming, dusting, bathroom, scrubbing, laundry, washing, folding. That sounds like a lot of work.
It is too much work. How do people do this and have a job?
The secret is a strategy called clean as you go.
Clean as you go?
It means don't wait. If you make a mess, clean it immediately. You finish coffee, wash the cup now. You drop some crumbs, sweep them now. You take off your coat, hang it up now.
But I am tired now.
If you do it now, it takes 10 seconds. If you wait until Sunday, you have a mountain of mess. Do you want a mountain or a molehill?
Ideally, I want a housekeeper. But I see your point. Small habits.
Another tip, make it fun. Do not clean in silence.
Oh, I always listen to music, upbeat music, like K-pop. It makes me scrub faster.
Exactly. Or listen to a podcast, like English Level Up. You can learn English while you scrub the toilet. That is multitasking.
Alex, let's practice. Let's do a role play. Scenario: your mother is coming to visit in 1 hour. Your house is a disaster. We need to clean fast.
Oh no, the mom is coming panic. Okay, action.
Alex, put down the video game. Mom just called. She is 30 minutes away.
What? 30 minutes? But look at this place. It looks like a bomb exploded.
Okay, we need a plan. Divide and conquer. You take the kitchen. I take the living room.
The kitchen? But there are dishes from 3 days ago. The sink is full.
Just load the dishwasher as fast as you can. If it doesn't fit, hide the dirty pots in the oven.
Hide them in the oven? That's genius. Okay, what about the floor? It's sticky.
I will vacuum the living room rug. You quickly mop the kitchen tiles. Don't use too much water, just a quick wipe.
Okay. Wait, what about the bathroom? Mom always checks the bathroom.
Oh God, the toilet is gross. Okay, pour some bleach in there now. I will go wipe the mirror and change the hand towels.
What about this pile of laundry on the sofa?
Throw it in the bedroom closet. Just shut the door.
Okay. Go, go, go.
Okay, time's up. How does it look?
The surfaces look clean. The air smells like lemon spray.
Just don't open the oven or the closet.
We survived.
That was stressful. Next time, let's just clean as we go.
Whew, that role play raised my blood pressure. But it was a good review of the vocabulary.
Yes, let's recap the stickiest words from today. Alex, give me the top 5.
1. Chore, a boring household task. 2. Vacuum, the machine and verb to clean carpets. 3. Scrub, to wash with force for dirty toilets or pots. 4. Laundry, the process of washing clothes. 5. Clutter, a mess of objects, papers, toys, clothes, lying around.
Clutter. I have a lot of clutter on my desk. I need to declutter.
Exactly. Declutter means to remove the unnecessary things.
Okay, time's up. How does it look?
The surfaces look clean. The air smells like lemon spray.
Just don't open the oven or the closet.
We survived.
That was stressful. Next time, let's just clean as we go.
So, friends, we hope this episode helps you talk about your daily life. Cleaning is boring, but talking about it in English is useful.
Yes, and now we have a challenge for you, the 2-minute chore challenge.
Today, choose one small chore, just one. Maybe make your bed, maybe wash 1 cup. But while you do it, say the sentence in English out loud.
Say, I am making my bed, or I am wiping the table. Connect the action with the words.
And tell us in the comments, what is the chore you hate the most? Is it the toilet, the dishes, or ironing?
For me, it is definitely the toilet, 100%.
For me, it is folding fitted sheets. It's impossible.
Thank you for listening and cleaning with us. See you in the next episode.
Keep your house clean and your English fluent. Bye.